9, Chapter 7 quiz. As you can see, the text is average or smaller sized, asking for students to use algebra tiles to model, then give a product, product for pairs of monomials, limited space here. The numbers aren't very large. Finding quotient, so students are expected to know what quotient is and product. Very small numbers here. Calculate a product and divide each expression. So we see limited support on the page, somewhat cramped together, not as much white space as could be possible. In the redo version, I decided to add a lot more space. I decided to show the assessment value. I placed the algebra tiles that the student may need to refer to or use right there in front of them, so there's no misunderstanding as to what they are, and the shaded ones and the non-shaded ones. I used some supportive vocab to help them understand what they're supposed to do or how to do it, and gave clear directions to then write out the product in the numerical value. I've got the assessment value, lots of space here, and the T-bar shown for them to do the modeling. Here I use supports again to explain what is meant by product, assessment value, even some guiding arrows to guide their calculations or jog their memories or remind them of the steps required. Lots of space. For the quotient, again, I have asked some supportive vocab, much larger numbers, a lot of more space. And the same continues for the rest of the quiz. Assessment value, what is meant, or helpful vocab to break down what they're supposed to do, some guiding arrows, and much larger numbers and lots of space. In my opinion, this makes the quiz a lot more simpler to do and inclusive, and probably a much better assessment for all students.